afternoon, everyone. I've had a lot of requests for me to come back to Hulk Hogan's wrestling shop in Orlando, Florida. I mean, I've had a ton of y'all reach out to me and ask me to come and purchase a shirt from the Hulk Hogan's wrestling shop, so that's just what I'm going to do. I'm going to come in here and purchase a shirt from Hulk Hogan's beach shop, and maybe even a bandana, I don't know yet. And if you come up here, if you're in Orlando, youtube.com/beforethemagic is what I left for Mr. Hulk Hogan. And he was a great guy, he was a great wrestler. Here's everyone paying their respects to Hulk Hogan. Everyone's saying, "Rest easy, brother." Everyone's leaving flowers. We left balloons. I don't know where they went, but we left balloons. Rest in peace, brother from Australia. Red roses and candles. He'll be missed by all. He certainly will be missed by all. What does that say? Thank you for being such a huge part of my childhood. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, let's go into Hulk Hogan's wrestling shop and see if we can purchase a t-shirt. And I want one of these t-shirts over here. I'm going to try to be as quiet as possible for the Hulk Manias. And I'm going to see if I can purchase one of these t-shirts right over here as requested by one of my fans that watch. And here's one just like it. I'm wondering if they have one. See, isn't this beautiful? They have them in red and yellow. And if you look closely enough, you might can find your size. I say Hulk Mania, but it's actually Hulkamania for Hulk Hogan. And the shirts cost $26.99. So we're going to take this and we're going to go see if we can find a bandana to match it. I personally like the yellow shirt. I also like the tank tops. Hogan's Bash at the Beach, Clearwater, Florida. But they only have the extra smalls, and these are $24.99. But they have more over here. There's Hogan right there. There's this beautiful bike. Hollywood Hogan for life. Beautiful. Hulkamania. We're also looking for a specific magnet. The Ultimate Challenge. They have all kinds of t-shirts. They have the Hulk Hogan shorts, workout shorts. Hulkamania, 1984. Running Wild. That's a 5X. 5XL. Then they have kids' clothes. Like that one down there that says, "What you gonna do?" That's pretty. He used to have a seat he would come in and sit down at. And it would say, "Don't sit here, brother." I am the storm. Trump perfect. That's cool. All these over here are 3X, but you can find the Hogan X Bomber shirts. The Immortal Hulk Hogan. Hogan's Beach Shop, Orlando. Very, very cool. And there's the Hulk Mania. He'll live on forever. That's the man himself, Hulk Hogan. That's even signed. Wow. Let's go over here. Hulkster. These are what I've been looking for. The ones where he's ripping his shirt off. And how much are these bandanas? $12.99. I think I might get a bandana with that one, I guess. You can get red or yellow. Hulk Hogan Python Hunter. Okay, yes. There's his belts right there. I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna get this. Thank you. I believe I'll get that one.
Okay.
I'll get that one. You can get you a picture of him for $14.99. Oh, that's a good one right there of him ripping his shirt off.
That's what someone said.
That's high right there. That's a brother. Running wild, brother. And how much is the action figure down there? That one down there. Okay. Those little pillows over there are cute. There's Andre the Giant. Wow. You can get you an NWO, New World Order, No Way Out sticker. Another Hulk Hogan bottle opener. I haven't seen the yellow ones, but they still have some of these if y'all want to stop by and get them. Here's some license plate, Hulk Mania license plate holders. American made Hulk Hogan. And some signed pictures. Look at that. Look at all the signed pictures. Now, I don't know how much those are. And there's him with the surfboard and all of his pictures. The Immortal Hulk Hogan. Thunder Lips. But I got my T-shirt, just in case we don't see him anymore, but I hope we do. We love you, Hulk Hogan. He'll live in our hearts forever. Trump Mania. Hollywood rules. The real American. You can get some shot glasses. And how about a hat? Oh no, that's cute. They got him ripping the shirt underneath it. That is really, really cute. I like that. Those hats are $39.99. Hogan's Beach Shop. I like that blue shirt right there. Brother. You can get one that says brother. Hulkamania. Or Hulk Mania. I like to say Hulk Mania. There's your brother shirts. Hollywood Hulk Hogan. Hulk Hogan wig and mustache kit down there. Dawn of the Golden Age. Get you a Dawn of the Golden Age koozie. And they have the lounge flies, the Hulk Hogan lounge flies. Of course, I've showed you those last time. Those are awesome. Hogan's Beach Bash. When I go to Clearwater, I'm going to get me a Clearwater shirt. And they still have the Hulk Hogan's Wrestling Shop Orlando. And all the signed action figures down here. Hulk Hogan, brother. Running wild. Running completely wild. True. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And get in the ring with me. There's him and Andre the Giant. That's cute. I like that. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, brother. Just beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. We love you, Hulk Hogan.